Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not loading. You have a lot of reasons why your ChatGPT gets some problem. Maybe because of your Chrome extensions, or maybe because of your VPNs or network connections. So you just have to check all of that, or maybe just wait because of some site traffic on ChatGPT. So how you can fix this problem? So first, you just need to clear cache this website right here. So click these three dots at the top right of your screen, and then go to settings, and then under the settings, you need to go right here on privacy and security. Now, when you click this one, you will find all the options right here. So you just click this site settings, and then you will find all the recent sites that you visit. So go right here, click this view permissions and data. So go and search the openai.com, or maybe just click this openai.com or click this trash bin icon right here to clear all data. Then once you've done, you can now reload this website. Now going back to ChatGPT, you just have to clear or disable all your Chrome extensions. So go back and try to click this extensions icon right here, and then go to manage extensions. And then here under the manage extensions, you will find all the enabled and disabled Chrome extensions that you have. So you can just disable one of those, or maybe you just have to disable all of these Chrome extensions. Then you can reload this ChatGPT and try to see if that fixed the problem. Or as I've said earlier, you can disable your VPN and check your internet connections. Maybe you just need to change your Wi-Fi into data connection, so you can try if that fixed the ChatGPT not loading problem on your Google Chrome. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like today's video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.